Hey guys, Chris Razor here with Xtreme Polishing Systems. Getting ready to watch a video of the Mammoth 800 being built from raw steel up to the actual finished product. So enjoy the show. I want to take you through more of the process of building the Mammoth 800. Here's another key feature in doing it. We're going to go over the drive shafts of the Mammoth 800. So what we do is we get a blank mold here that we've cut out. You can see here it's just a blank mold that we've milled out of aluminum. At that point, then what we're trying to do is we're trying to cut the grooves in here, the actual gears, as you can see. Again, these are for the drive shafts of the Mammoth 800. So back behind me is the process that we're doing. It's slowly but surely cutting these grooves out. So it's taking this here and trying to achieve this right here. Another key piece in the building process of the Mammoth 800 is the actual gear system. So what we do here is we got hardened steel. It comes in a sleeve, we slice it up. And what we're trying to do is we're taking these blanks here, and the end result is we're trying to achieve this right here. So again, this is for the gears in the actual Mammoth 800. I'm going to take you through the process. We've already cut one side out. Now we're in the process of cutting this side out. Now that we've waited 4 minutes is roughly how long it takes to do one side of each one of these gears. You saw me put it in just a few minutes ago. Now that we just finished, we're going to open this door here, and we'll take this off. You can see the finished end result. So it's 4 minutes per side. We're taking a blank steel piece cut right here, and ultimately ending up with this here. Another piece to the puzzle in building the gears for the Mammoth 800. Once we've got the blanks cut out and everything machined, is now we need to make the actual gears for the machine itself. So part of that process is here. We'll take those blanks that you saw a minute ago, we put them in here, and we're CNCing these grooves out. Here's another key piece to in the gearbox assembly. The bearings will be housed in here, so what that gear will move on slowly or smoothly across. So what we're doing is we're taking a raw piece of casting here, trying to ultimately end up with this. Everything again is CNC to precision, so I'm going to go ahead and do this for you, show you that process. So we'll put this raw piece in here. Alright guys, we just finished here. It took about a minute and a half to cut that piece out we were just talking about for the bearing assembly. See, now it's a lot cleaner. So what we'll do now is once we just cut that out, we took it from this raw piece here, obviously cleaned it up, got everything precisely cut. Now what we want to do is just test it, make sure that it's in the degree that we're looking for. And what that number is 0.0001. So you can see right there on there. Right there, it's right on the money. So everything is just tested and made sure that everything is to precise numbers. Another key piece in the building process. Hey guys, Chris here again. We're making the adapters. Plates right here, you can see these are our adapters that go under the Mammoth 800. So what these do is they attach to the drive shaft of the heads underneath the Mammoth 800, and then the Morplex coupler, which you guys are very familiar with, attaches to that. So these recess in here, this will attach underneath the machine, and then we'll have our magnetic plate under here. There's another key piece is the adapter plate that's CNC'd out. So the heart and brains of the Mammoth 800 is the actual gearbox, which I'm going to show you shortly on the assembly process of that. But we just finished CNCing out the aluminum gearbox for the Mammoth 800. So you can kind of see some more of the process here. Both sides. of this has been cut out. So here's the other side. So these are the gears that we just went over of making. All that will be assembled in here. This will be filled with gear oil, and this is the actual gearbox for the Mammoth 800, which I'll show you the assembly process here in just a few minutes. Alright, so you've seen the entire process of the machining of all the gears, the plates, the housings, the welding of the frames, and now we're at the point where we're just putting the final touches on, and we're attaching the frame to the gearbox. So here we go. Alright guys, you guys just finished watching the Mammoth 800 being built from the raw material up to the finished product. If you guys have any additional questions, feel free to call the number below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Look forward to hearing from you guys soon. Thanks.